Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to do a really cool hack to smoke your food without using any wood chunk or wood chips. Welcome to the world of the Barbqube. Would you believe this would get you 2 hours of smoke on your smoker? If you don't have wood, all you need is a little bit of charcoal and this, and you can smoke like crazy. Now this Barbqube is hickory, but it comes in a lot of different woods, cherry, oak, and others you can check out on their website. The thing that's cool about this is it's 100% wood. It is of course shaved or ground down, and it is compressed to an incredible hardness. We're going to show you how to do it and show you how much smoke we get out of this Barbqube. Now there's a hack that I'm going to show you where if you drill a hole through here, you'll be able to ignite the inside and the outside, which is going to give you an incredible amount of smoke to do 2 hours worth of smoking. This cube should last you approximately 2 hours. First, we'll get our drill ready. We're going to drill out the center of this. I noticed when I drilled it, it's starting to crack, so we're going to have to be a little careful so we don't want to break this apart. I'm going to go down the other side and see if we can keep it together. I think you just have to go slow. Okay, there we go. I went slow this time. I was able to get it all the way through without cracking the Barbqube. Let's fire it up and see how it works. Okay, now we're going to light it up, see how it goes. Going to get that fire right inside that hole. It takes about a good minute to get it ignited because it's so compressed. It really does work incredible. So we're gonna have this lit. I'm gonna hit it probably one more time, but that's what you're gonna get for almost 2 hours. Now you put this in something like the Big Green Egg back here, and it's gonna actually work absolutely perfectly. It smells just like hickory. We've got the hole. We're gonna hit it again because I want that hole lit. Now the fire is going to go out, and we've got some good white ash, which means it is lit pretty well now all the way around. And the hole is lit on the inside. Look at that smoke. And when you put it inside the Big Green Egg, which we're going to show you next, you'll see how well it does. For cold smoking, you'll want the bottom of your vent wide open and the top of the vent wide open. You can see we're starting to get some really nice smoke. It's almost blue, a little bit stronger. Once that air starts flowing through and it's got a little wind here, you're gonna see that smoke's gonna turn out to be fantastic. Now, the one thing to keep in mind is when you're smoking, if you have no heat, you're not gonna get that convection going. So the smoke is gonna sit in here more than it would. So when I do cold smoking, I actually only light 2 small pieces of charcoal, put it in there to generate a little bit of heat, not much. It's not gonna get your meat temperature to rise a whole lot. And I always do it on a cold day. Today, it's about 39 degrees outside. Got a cold front coming through. Perfect day for cold smoking. I'll take the meat out of the refrigerator, put it on here, and let it rip for a couple hours. The danger zone for meat is from 140 down to 40 degrees. So as long as your meat isn't in that zone for over 2 hours, it's perfectly safe. You won't have any problems. So we've had the smoke going on for only about 5 minutes. Let's open it up and take a look and see what it looks like. Absolutely perfect smoke. It's not too heavy. It's not super white. And look at that. With a little bit of convection, you're gonna have an amazing amount of smoke. It's only been 5 minutes. And look at that. You have definitely going to go for 2 hours. Now, for those of you that are burning a stick burner or a barrel or something where there's no problem getting that incredible wood flavor, I've got an offset, love it, my barrels, everything else, my PKs. But I'll tell you something, I got a pellet smoker that I have no problems getting flavor on. I use a particular brand of pellet. If you want to know about it, you can also check out my other videos. You'll see what it is. This is what you want. If you've got a pellet smoker and you feel that you're not getting enough flavor, you probably need to get some different pellets that give you better flavor. But if you add one of these Barbqubes in with your smoker, you will not believe the difference. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, like this, and I hope to see you on the next one. Smoke on, baby!